Welcome back, friends. Today we are going to discuss LeetCode problem 1980. Find unique binary string. So, given an array of string nums containing n unique binary strings, each of length n, return a binary string of length n that does not appear in nums. If there are multiple answers, you may return any of them. So, we have been given couple of binary strings of length n. So here, as you can see, this is length 2, and we have to return the string of the same length, which is 2, which is not in this given list. So for example 11. So I took another example here, which they have given example 3 for our discussion. So they have given us the three strings of length 3 binary strings 111, 011 and 001, and we have to find out any remaining binary string of length 3 which is not in our given input set. So how we are going to do this is we are going to generate all the binary strings of length n. So in this case length 3. So as you can say, these are the generated binary strings here. These are the generated binary strings of length 3, and we can return any of the strings which is not in this given input. So the given input has string like 011, then 111, and then this 001. So apart from that, we can return any of these strings actually as our answer. So we are going to first I'll just show you the code. So we are going to generate all the binary strings here recursively, and then we will we will return as soon as we find a string of a length n which is not in our given input set. We will just add it into our result set here. This is our result set that we are passing. So here first we will check if the we will be passing a string s, then string t, and length will be we are passing here as a, let's say in our example we will pass 3 here, and we will pass a set of strings which is to capture the result that we want to get back from the recursive method. And here we are going to pass the given number set. So what we have done is we took this array and we are iterating the array of the input binary strings, and we are forming a given number set, and then we are passing this given number set into this method. And in the beginning the string s and the string t are both empty here, and we are passing nums 0 length, which is in our example, for example that we were discussing 3, and all binary string set. This is the set that we want to capture the result actually, so of the strings that are not there in the input set. So we can use that finally here the input all binary set, and we will just read the first element from the set, and we'll just return that element. So as you can see, in the beginning s and t will be empty, and how we will be gradually um, adding ones and zeros. As you can see, we will call recursively, and we will add 1 here and we will add 0 here to the given string s, and s becomes s is equal to s plus t we will do actually. So it will generate all the binary strings of length n, and here we are doing the condition check. When we find same length that we are looking for, let's say we are looking for a length 3 in the example, then we are going to check if that string that we have generated it's already there in the input set. If it's not there in the input set, we will just add into our result set and we will just return after that. So this is a simple implementation to find unique binary string. So I took both the examples. This first example I took and the third example I took. So let's just do a quick run on this. So as you see, 1 1 is generated because 1 1 is come because it's not there in this input, and here we have given 1 1 0 because it's also not there in this input set. So we can return any of the string which is not there. So uh, let's submit this solution and make sure this works. So the solution is working fine. So this is how we have solved the finding unique binary string problem. So we just a quick recap. We have implemented a recursive generating binary strings of length function, and we gradually expand that function to generate all the binary strings of length n, and at the same time we will keep track of the binary string. We will check against the given input set. If it's not there, then we will add it into our resulting set, and we will return, and at the end we will just return the first element from the result. So if you like the solution, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching the video.